Hey everybody, welcome back. So I just walked inside of the Dollar Tree. I'm at the front door and they put out some of their back to school stuff at this location. Most of this we've already looked at. They got the dry erase boards and most of, the regular basic stuff. They do have some more of the soft script pens, and that is it as far as, this stuff. Over here though, I did see these cute pencil pouches. The camouflage, they have different colors. And I saw these, ready for a new adventure. These are kind of cute. They look like canvas. They have this black and white one, this polka dot one that has a cat face, and this one right here. And I also see these that I showed you guys before. That one. And then there's the fox. Over here they've added their caddies in all the different colors. Kind of cute. You have the 3 compartments. So you got yellow, red, blue, green, the primary colors. And then you got these little stackable bins like that, as well as those down there. Okay, lots of folders, lots of pencil cases or pouches. I like that clear one with the polka dots on them. And they have the 3 holes for the binder. What is this? 2-pack portfolio. They have their dry erase baskets up there, as well as the clear Sterilite cube baskets. Oh, look down here they have the lanyards that match the little coffee theme. So there's the coffee, the donuts. Oh, these are cute. I don't even need it, but I think I'm gonna get one of those. And then they have the floral one right here and a few other ones, but I really like that one. Okay, this is way up in the front of the store. I'm not even by the food section. The front door is right there. But they brought some wild berry Fruit Loops. Okay, I think I'm gonna get a box of these. Oh, look right here. They have some zipper purses and they're shaped like donuts. Those are cute, and they have the little chain on them, so you can put them on whatever you want to hang them on. They got different little donut patterns. Let's see. Oh, look at that one. It looks like a watermelon donut. It's kind of cool. Oh, they even have one that's shaped like a cupcake. Okay, so I don't know if they have all of these right here, like the fruit. Let's see if I can find one. Yellow. I just see, oh yeah, there is a fruit down there. Look at that one. It's shaped different though. And then here's the cactus pens that I just showed you guys. The little silicone pens. Like that. And they brought back some more of those adult stickers. So these say that. You've got this coffee. It says coffee. Yay, it's Monday, says no one ever. Those are always cute. And then they have this set. Because adulting is hard, I like to drink coffee and pretend I know what I'm doing. This set right here. I ate vegetables. And then I see this set right here. I shaved my legs, washed my hair today. So in this area on the round center, the little round thing that they put in the middle of the road, they put some of their fall stuff. This one says welcome friends. It's cute. It's wood. They still have some of those shadow boxes. Here's some of the pumpkins. That one that says hello fall. And there's the jewelry trees. And then there's just more pumpkins. So over here in the picture section, I do see some new little pictures like this, and it's all in a theme of like brides. I have always known it was you. So that's the first one I saw. Where's the other one at? This one, Mr. and Ms. This one says groom rules. Remember to be patient, forgive, listen to each other. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but I think that one is cute. You also have the one for brides. And the only other one I see is this one with the gold hearts, all because 2 people fell in love. I always come and check out the book section. How to Sew a Button. Swarm, Daughter of Deep Silence. Original Fake. What is that? Autographed copy. Okay, that looks interesting. Independence Day and Cakes in Space. They're sweet, they're sprinkled, they're alive. And Not So Impossible Tale. Oh, and then, oh, look, they even have the Hardy Boys by Franklin Dixon. Okay, you guys, I think that's gonna be it for Dollar Tree today. I didn't really see too much of anything. I think what they're doing is they're concentrating on putting back more of the back to school, so we probably won't get a whole lot of goodies, you know, like the other stuff, probably for another couple weeks, but I will still be on the lookout. So thank you guys all for coming. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.